So hello, welcome back to my channel, my friends. Today it's a notification of IIT Bombay, in which you can see the IIT Institute of Technology Bombay, Powai, Mumbai, gives a notification regarding the project engineer under the project of Institute of Eminence, IOE cell, and you can see that what are the vacancy lists and eligibility criteria. The name of the post is the project engineer, and it has only one vacancy, and the qualification required is the BE, BTech and ME or MTech in chemical or civil engineering, and age limit is 21 year at least, and pay scale is 33,600 per month to maximum salary rupees 67,200 per month, and selection process is directly interview, and application fee, there is no application fee for this post. Okay, so how to apply for the IIT Bombay requirement for 2023? Visit the official website, go to the career page or recruitments, and click on the notification of IIT Bombay job for the project engineer post. Click the latest date before applying and scroll down and click on apply links. Fill out the applications form without any mistakes and pay the application fee if applicable, and click on submit and note down the application number for the further proceeding. So important date is application is started from 2023 and end date is 11th of January 2024, in which you can clearly see that essentials classification of experience for this job is the MTech, ME in biological and chemical, or civil, B or BTech in the civil engineering, having a commitment, support in the operation, instrumentation, calibration, periodic services and maintenance of the instruments and the maintaining records, ensuring smooth operations of instruments by identifying and solving technical issues, ability to follow the protocols and standard operating procedures, knowledge and the adherence to the safety guidelines and regulations, and best practice in the laboratory settings, providing the support in the procurement of supplies, consumables required for the instruments, and support in the conducting environmental teaching labs. Pay detail is level 1, salary range from 33,600 to rupees 67,200 plus 6,250 out of campus allowance if applicable. Okay, and the point to be noticed is that general information, there is a position, this position is temporary for the period of 1 year and tenable only for the duration of this project, and the appointment is the time bounded projects, and the candidate is required to work mainly for the successful completion of the project, and the selection committee may offer lower or high designation and lower or high salary depending upon the experiences and performance of the candidates and in the interview. So candidates called for the interview will be required to attend or her own expenses, and for more query you can visit on the requirement at ircc.iitbombay.ac.in. Okay, so this is the post. Thank you.